probably using WhatsApp wrong and you don't even know it. There's a hidden AI feature inside it that most people are ignoring, and it can literally change how you chat, reply, and even run your business. Before you scroll past this, you need to see what I just found. Before you use WhatsApp again, you need to see this hidden AI agent inside it. I'm breaking down exactly what it does and how people are already using it without realizing.
If you're a business owner, digital marketer, or content creator, this video is for you. In this video, we'll show you how to use your AI agents to set up your business and how this has become a game changer for every business owner and how it will help you close more deals than ever before, especially if you are not able to reply your customers every now and then due to you have a lot of people messaging you. First of all, you must download the app called WhatsApp Business. If you're a business owner, you need to download the app called WhatsApp Business. First of all, you need to set up your business information. This is one of the important parts you must set up. I wrote my description as learn and master AI and turn it into an unending money-making machine. So if you've not done it, you need to set it up. I have done mine already. When you do it, you now tap on save here. You save your work. Then after that, you go to business hour. You set up your business hour. I can also change this one. Now, instead of me to say appointment only, I can say I'm available 24 hours. 24 hours. You could just change it to maybe 18 hours. And save it up. So your AI agent works with the information you give to it. So after the business address, you add your business address, add your website, and also add your email address to your WhatsApp. This setting is very, very important for your AI agent to give accurate replies to your potential clients when they message you for the very first time. After that, you go to your recommended bestsellers. In your catalog, you already have your pictures and images already set up there, and you've already gotten customers over time. So it works, or it reads your posts, or it has already read and know how many customers that have purchased that particular item, and it will suggest for you which one is the best. So for me, I get people to message me for my one-on-one coaching. That is one of my best sellers. So I tick on it. Tick on which one you want. These are my best sellers. My one-on-one coaching is my best seller. My second best seller is Learn and Master AI with channels. So these are my two best sellers. I can also add another one too. The third one, my AI visuals for my brand. You save it up. For this, your AI agent to reply you, make sure your WhatsApp, as far as your data is on, it will automatically reply to your potential clients. Share purchasing info. How and where to purchase. You have to put in how and where to purchase the item. For me, I put my bank details. So, and whenever a potential client asks for the price of my product and wants to make a purchase, my bank details automatically will be sent to you through my WhatsApp agent. Payment type accepted. What kind of payment type do you want? Do you want physical payment type? Do you want online payment type? Do you want payments? You want when the one that will see you get your product first before you make payment, or is online? I could add what kind of payment type accepted? I've added the shipping policy. How long do you want this product to be shipped? 3 days, 2 days, or immediately after payment? My own is immediately after payment. If you are using if yours is a physical product, you could tell the person will get his or her item the next day, 24 hours later, or after 3 days, or after 7 days, depending on how long the product will get to the customer. If you're a digital creator, or your product is online, you could just say immediately after purchase, immediately after payment or purchase. There's also a feature called return and exchange policy. There's also discounts policy here too. You could add discounts to your products. That is it. This is a game changer. Ask for customer info. This is another an important feature. When should your AI agent ask for customer? When someone is ready to buy, as soon as new chat begins, when someone asks for maybe account details or whatever. So it depends. So me, I chose when someone is ready to buy. I could ask for my customers' information, their name, delivery address, and product or services. If you don't like it, you must not tick on it. Also, book customers' appointments. This works with your Google Calendar. You could add your Google Calendar to this to help you book your customer could book appointments with you. So if you are the busy type, you could add your Google Calendar to it. This is a game changer for you. AI replies. All new. This is all new one-on-one chat except with contacts, one-on-one chat from ads, posts for new chat but learning, schedule anytime, only once I select. So you can choose all new one-to-one chat, but I don't like this because imagine your mom messaging you and the next thing is AI agent replying your mom or your dad. It's not really make sense, or your sibling. So I chose one-on-one chat except with contacts. So any new person that message me, my AI agent will reply to them. And I can also turn it off if I don't want my AI agent to reply to them. One-on-one chat from your Facebook ad, Instagram ads, you can also tap on that one. So schedule anytime. I chose anytime because I might not be with my phone at that moment. So my AI agents really want to reply to the customers if I'm not with my phone. You can also disconnect your AI agent if you don't want it to disconnect for you. Knowledge. This is the most interesting part. Here you can add your details, more details about your product. I added my own to it for you to get more information about my product. You could add your image, you could connect your Google Drive to it. You could add more info, you could add documents, you could add images, you could also take a photo. It works. This knowledge is this place they call knowledge is very important. So let's say it's one of the best feature on this AI agents. So you can also create rules for your AI agent to operate on. Rules could be you don't want to use emojis. It will not add emojis to the chat. Also, it will tell you if you don't want to add emojis, you could tap on no, or if you want to add emojis, you can tap on yes. Share prices when appropriate. It will share the prices when appropriate. If you don't want to share your prices, you want to come and reply your customers manually, that is fine. But I added my own. Send follow-up message after 8 hours. If you want to send follow-up message after 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever, you can just put it here. So mine is 8 hours. It's to send a follow-up message. Is that not wonderful? Also, you can also let your AI agent use non-Meta apps too, like Google Drive to another non-Meta apps. This is a game changer for anyone who is so busy. There's also a free tool on WhatsApp. So will you be trying this out? Let me know in the comment section. Before now, I reached out to someone. I told someone about this AI agent and he was like, communication skill matters. It's better you reply your customers from your human and reply, not with AI, that your customers, your clients will not like it. But this has helped a lot of creators, a lot of business owners, digital marketers to close deals without them being on their phone. So we need to learn to adapt to changes that will help us. Currently, this is my WhatsApp message it was my AI that replied this message. See, my AI reply, I blurred it so that you will not really know to see the person's number. The AI is the one replying this chat. Is it not wonderful? It is wonderful. It is wonderful. So it's good we learn to.
You can actually turn that button there. Yes. Turn it to AI. AI will be the one replying your messages for you. You can also turn it off. As simple as that.
But if it's something that you are not comfortable with, let me know if I'm wrong or if I'm right. See you in my next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends, loved ones, and even your enemies. Bye.